Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making a nautical sign with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's get started, guys. So I purchased from the Crafter Square section of the Dollar Tree one of these canvases, and what we're doing is we are mixing some apple barrel paint in that beige color with some baking soda because we're going to be creating a textured look. Now this video is part of a collaboration and it's called This Is My Thing, Estoeslomio, and that's hosted by Yetra Kreacciones. Now I'm going to be listing all of the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Remember that when you click the like button and full watch the video, you help us YouTube content creators to grow on YouTube. So now using that plastic container, I mixed some apple barrel paint, some baking soda, and I just went by consistency so I don't have any measurements. So what we're doing here is we're giving it a nice thick layer, and then we're going to allow that to dry before moving on to the next step. So I wasn't really happy with just the paint and the baking soda. I went back and got some more baking soda, sprinkled that on top, and then rolled up the paper towel to make more of a texture using that paper towel, just with a dabbing effect or stippling. Now while that's sitting there drying, we may as well go ahead and paint the little sailboat and the seahorse. So one is going to be in a royal blue and the other one's going to be in a powder blue. Now I'm going to be moving these items over to the side, and then we're going to start making a bow to place on the sign. Now I am absolutely loving the white burlap ribbon that the Dollar Tree sells, if you can find it. Now I also grabbed one of the Nautical ribbons, and I decided to go ahead and hot glue that in the center of it before we start creating the bow. Okay, now gluing that blue ribbon on top of the other ribbon gave it a totally different effect. I absolutely love it. So now we're going to use that wooden laser cutout that's shaped like a floral to embellish the middle of that bow. So now that we're done with the bow, we're going to go ahead and use the white nautical rope to trim out the outside of that canvas. I am absolutely loving the texture that I got off of that paint and baking soda. Now we're embellishing with that bow, and now we're going to start gluing the pieces onto the canvas. This is looking so beautiful. Now we don't want to be wasteful, so we're going to use a little bit of the leftover nautical rope to make a hanger, and then we are almost ready to head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for hosting this collaboration. This nautical piece came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.